Happy Yugadi, everyone! Yugadi, also known as Ugadi, is a significant festival celebrated primarily in the states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana in India. It marks the beginning of the traditional Hindu lunar calendar and is observed with much joy. The word Yugadi is derived from two Sanskrit words. Yuga means era and Adi means the beginning. Therefore, Yugadi signifies the beginning of new era, symbolizing new hope, prosperity and joy. The festival falls on the first day of the Chaitra month according to the Hindu calendar, usually in March or April. It is the time for people to clean the house, decorate them with flowers, prepare sweets, wear new clothes, and offer prayer to their deities for blessings and prosperity. Of the central rituals of Yugadi is preparation and consumption of the special dish called Yugadi Pachadi, or it is also called as Bevu Bella in Karnataka. This dish is made using various ingredients such as neem flowers, jaggery, tamarind, raw mango, fenugreek, salt, and chili. Each ingredient symbolizes different aspects of life, such as happiness, sadness, anger, surprise, fear, disgust, etc. By consumption of Yugadi Pachadi, people are reminded to accept all the forms of life and embrace all of the flavors of life equally. Yugadi is not just a festival but also a time for reflection, renewal, and rejuvenation. It brings families and communities together, fostering a sense of unity and belongingness. It is a celebration of the cyclical nature of time and the eternal cycle of life, symbolizing the triumph of good over the evil and the promise of the fresh start. Overall, Yugadi is a vibrant and auspicious festival that embodies the rich cultural heritage and spiritual significance of India. It is a time for joyous celebrations, heartfelt prayers, and hopeful beginnings. I hope and pray this Yugadi brings you joy, good health, prosperity, and happiness. Take care.